Hello and welcome. This video will explain plastic packaging tax in Fraction ERP. So the first thing to do is to go to Business and Reports, and we have a plastic packaging tax report here, which, because I haven't set anything up, the report is currently empty. So we're going to run this demo and I'll demonstrate how this will be updated. So let's go to Business and Shipments, and these are the existing shipments that we've already sent from Fraction. And if I show line items, I already have a filter for cups, so this is the part I'm going to consider as applicable for plastic packaging tax. So I'm going to copy that part number and just look that up under the part library and then view that part record. Under options, I'm going to tick the plastic packaging tax at the bottom and update part. The part is currently being set to 0.1, but let's change that so the component weight is 0.05 and the sprue weight is also 0.05, giving us a total of 0.1. But the actual component weight that will be applicable is the 0.05. So let's update that part record. So now that that's been done, if we go back to Business and Reports and we look at the plastic packaging tax, that's now pulled in all of the shipments of that part which has been flagged as having plastic packaging tax applicable. So we can see here the mass is 0.05. These are the quantities that we've shipped. So the first thing we do is just calculate the total mass in tons, and then we calculate the value of the plastic packaging tax. So this is currently all of the records for the shipments of this cup. We can obviously filter that and look at particular months or timeframes that you need to report on. We can export this data to Excel, and the only other thing to mention is for the plastic packaging tax rate, if we go to settings and options, and then if we come down to financials, we have the plastic packaging tax, which is currently set at £200 per ton. So if ever the tax rate changes, all you have to do is edit this option to alter that 200 rate. So let's go back to the reports. Plastic packaging tax is now available in Fraction ERP, and that's the end of our demo. Thanks for watching.